Hello friends, today we are going to start the concept of class 11th chapter 14 exercise 14.2. Write the negation of the statement. I think all are getting what is the meaning of negation means negative sense, and the donation for is this is known as negative. First sum is New Delhi is a city. You can write the answer in your sense, but answer must be in opposite. It is saying कि New Delhi is a city. You can write its answer is New Delhi is not a city. Yeah, it is false that New Delhi is a city. Next is I went to my class yesterday. Yes, we can say I didn't go to my class yesterday. It is false that I went to my class yesterday. Clear? Next one is root 7 is rational. It is false that root 7 is rational. Root 7 is irrational. Yeah, root 7 is not rational. So many answers can be made from this. But answer will be truth. You can say answer can be say in any sense. All are correct. Next one is sum of 2 and 5 is 9. The sum of 2 and 5 is not 9. Yeah, it is false that sum of 2 and 5 is 9. Clear? Next is I will not go to school. I will go to school. Yeah, it is false that I will not go to school. Yeah, you can remove not also. Clear? Next, are the following पेयर ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स आर निगेशंस ऑफ ईच अदर, येस और नो. मीन्स आपको दो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं, आपको पता करना है कि वो दोनों एक दूसरे के निगेशन हैं, ऑपोजिट हैं या नहीं. द नंबर एक्स इज़ नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर. जो एक्स है वो रैशनल नंबर नहीं है. सेकंड में कह रहा है कि नंबर एक्स है जो वो इरैशनल नंबर नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो रैशनल नहीं है. इसका मतलब वो इरैशनल नहीं है. इरैशनल नहीं है मतलब क्या है, वो रैशनल. क्लियर? बोथ आर ऑपोजिट टू, इट मीन्स बोथ आर ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. नॉट एन इरैशनल, वो इरैशनल नहीं है, इट मीन्स वो रैशनल है. इस सेंस का मतलब ये हो गया. और यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि नॉट अ रैशनल, तो इट मीन्स दोनों एक दूसरे के नेगेटिव हो गए ना. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. सेकेंड इज अ नंबर एक्स इज नॉट अ रैशनल. वो रैशनल नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो क्या है, इरैशनल. बट इन सेकेंड नंबर एक्स इज एन इरैशनल, वो डायरेक्टली बोल रहा है, तो इट मीन्स बोथ आर सेम. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. ये निगेशन एक दूसरे के नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज राइट द निगेशन ऑफ पी फॉर एवरी रियल नंबर एक्स. ईदर एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन 1 और एक्स इज लेस देन 1. आपको पी की निगेशन लिखनी है जो ये डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. पहले क्या कर देंगे, पी के आगे निगेशन का सिंबल डाल देंगे. अब क्या करना है आपको, सबसे इजी, फॉर एवरी रियल नंबर एक्स ईदर और वर्ड इज फॉर पॉजिटिव सेंस. यू हैव टू राइट इन निगेशन. यू विल चेंज ईदर और इनटू नीदर नॉर. क्लियर? एंड वन थिंग मोर, इफ these types of word are not here, then is given, then you will say is not. Are is given means any verb is there, you will write with the not. Means if any verb is given there, you will write in negative. Does given, you will say does not. Sun rises in the east, sun does not rise in the east. Next is there exists a number x such that x lies between 0 and 1, where r is telling. This is a statement of r. See, there exists, you will say does not exist, a number x such that this one. Clear? Yeah. And r you will write with the negation. And one more you can say, there exists a number x, if you want to keep it same, and x lies between 0 and 1, you will say x is less than 0 and x is less than 1 is given, x is greater than 1. Means you can use it in negative sense. Here it is saying x less than, sorry, x is greater than 0. Now we have written less than and equal to, totally opposite of this. Now x is less than 1, so you have taken x is greater than 1. Then you will not change this, but you will change it. Otherwise very easy to change the verb with negative. If negative is there, you will make it positive. If positive is there, you will take negative. I hope you got how to take negation.